Welcome to HYBIZ News. This is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching National Business News. Gokul was elected Rubaru Mr.Indian Model International 2022 at the national finales of the 2022 Rubaru Mr.India Championship at Crony Plaza, Chennai, Adya Park Hotel. Along with winning the prestigious championship, he also won two major special awards including Best Speaker of the Year 2022 and Mr. Photogenic 2022. He will now represent India at the upcoming Mr. Model International competition to take place in the coming months. Mr. Model International is the world's biggest international model hunt event for men. It is based in the Latin American nation of the Dominican Republic and also has a branch office in the United States of America. The event is run by Team Management Group under the leadership of Mr. Luis Trujillo, who is also the founder and the president of the competition. As per the long-held tradition, the winning of the Rubaru Mr.India contest represents India at the Mr. Model International competition. As part of the various initiatives to make the state self-sufficient in milk production, the TRCMPU of Milma launched the silage distribution project as known as Haritam that will keep cattle in good health and lead to higher milk production. Minister for Animal Husbandry and Dairy Development Srimati J. Chinchurani inaugurated the distribution project at Cooperative Bank Auditorium at Mailachil. Sri C.K. Hirandran, MLA, presided over the function. Srimati Chinchurani said the experience of Ernakulam and Malabar region Union of Milma showed that the cost-efficient silage can increase milk production and it's less cost than cattle feed, which also includes maize, can improve the growth and health of the cattle, besides yielding fat in milk. Nothing that mobile veterinary units will commence in all blocks panchayats soon. The minister said one ambulance in each district will also be launched for providing veterinary kits to the dairy farmers. The ambulance to be rolled out for Rs 1 crore have been a specific number for guile services, he added. Union Bank of India is observing Vigilance Awareness Week from 31st of October to 6th of November 2022 on the theme Corruption-Free India for a Development Nation as envisaged by the Central Vigilance Commission. Various programs, webinars are scheduled by the bank for creating awareness among youth, women, employees, their families, members and the public at the large. Extensive use of social media is also being made for the wider dissemination of the theme. On this occasion, radio jingles and vigilance songs on the theme were also released by MD and CEO, Executive Director and CVO. At the Central Office of Union Bank of India, senior executives of the bank adopted integrity pledge and committed to uphold the high standards of honesty and integrity. MD and CEO Ms. A. Mani Mekkalai, through her message, appealed to all the unionists to follow probity, transparency and integrity in all walks of life, she said. Punjab National Bank, the nation's leading public sector bank with over a lakh employees, takes integrity pledge in a ceremony. The ceremony was a part of the Vigilance Awareness Week being observed from the 31st of October to 6th of November 2022 in line with the directives of the Central Vigilance Commission (CVC). The pledge was taken to inculcate a culture of honesty among staff members and focus on the quality of services, free from defects and corrupt practices. This year, to maintain its ecosystem of ethical practices, PNB commenced the Vigilance Awareness Week following the theme of Corruption-Free India for a Developed Nation on National Unity Day. Paying its tribute to the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect of the nation integration of independence India, PNB employees also have pledged of the nation unity. Federal Bank, one of the India's leading private sector bank, announced an extension of its partnership with 80s Federal Life Insurance by offering Group Credit Shields for the Federal Bank credit card holders. Group Credit Shield is exclusive cover and equals the credit limit, up to a maximum of Rs 3 lakhs for a term of 1 year. This hassle-free and innovative sachet product requires no additional documents, no medical examinations and is a single premium plan. Caters to customers, especially millennials, who desires ease and convenience while at the same time ensuring safety and security. The Group Credit Card Shield plan can be bought online within 3 minutes with just a few clicks. Federal Bank currently has 3 variants of credit cards, namely Celesta, Imperio and Signet, in association with Visa, MasterCard and RuPay respectively. Each card is designed to cater to the needs of different segments of the customers. Carlos Pena's first season as FC Goa's head coach has gone off to a positive start as the Spaniard saw his side claiming 2 victories from the opening 3 games. And now finally he comes home to play in front of fans who once adored him as a player. Now he wants them to have his back off their gaffer. Speaking of playing in Fatorda in front of Goa's crowd, he said, "I want to play in front of all the full stadium. That's how I last played here. I know about the passion the fans have for football and the club. They have always had our backs and I'm sure ready they will be there for us again. Last time we couldn't get any points despite trying till the last minute. We have learned a lot, now we look forward. And I wanted to thank the fans who traveled to Hyderabad. You guys are wonderful. We are waiting for you on Thursday in Fatorda. Together we are stronger playing the game," he added. Vigilance Indian Limited, an integrated single window logistics solution provider, appoints Mr. Deepak Rathi as Group Chief Finance Officer (CFO) of the Vigilance Indian Limited Group. Mr. Rathi possesses over 2 decades of experience as a finance professional. Previously, he was associated with the Graves Cotton Limited as a Vice President Finance. In his earlier experience, he has worked with the companies like Future Group's SL Group, Reliance Media World, and Garware Polyester, among other companies. Mr. Rathi is expected to drive strategic growth and set up process and capital structures. The CFO's appointment comes as part of the company's growth strategy that includes the capital raising plans in the next 2 to 3 years. Vigilance India has a turnover of about rupees 1,200 crores. It is a 6-decade-old company and has 3 business verticals: Vigilance, V-Express and V-Logis. Vigilance India has 850 branches and over 3,000 professionals to provide logistics solutions. Bank of Baroda, one of India's leading banks, and Visa, the global leader in digital payments, announced the launch of 2 new Premium Debit Cards for the Bank of Baroda customers. BOB World Opulence, a super premium Visa Infinity Debit Card, Metal Edition, and BOB World Sapphire, a Visa Signature Debit Card. The 2 debit card variants comes packed in a best-in-class and powerful reward proposition exclusively designed for the bank's high net worth individual HNI customer segment. The BOB World Sapphire card will come in 2 sub-variants, BOB World Sapphire Male and BOB World Sapphire Female, offering customized privilege to customers. Miss PV Sindhu, India's badminton icon and Bank of Baroda's brand endorser, unveiled the card at the launch event. Keeping in mind the taste and preference of its HNI customers, the bank is offering customers a truly world-class shopping and lifestyle experience with a range of luxury brands. In addition, to add extra value, the bank has gone a step further with the signature card, providing bespoke offer in its male and female customers. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Keep watching HYBIZ News.